Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over AiPEPE. Now AiPEPE is just finishing their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. They've already passed their soft cap. It's already a successful pre-sale. They have 7 hours still left to go as of recording this video, so I'm sure they'll sell a few more tokens before this pre-sale is over. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is done in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, like I said, there's about 7 hours left of this token here to go, or this pre-sale for this token left to go on pink sale here. So AiPEPE, all one word, is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. So far they've had 43 different investors contribute to this pre-sale. This pre-sale is being done on Ethereum through the Arbitrum blockchain. So after the pre-sale is over, if you're looking to get this token, it will be available on SushiSwap for purchase by funding your Trust wallet or MetaMask wallet with Ethereum through the Arbitrum blockchain. Go in the dApps, find SushiSwap, and then trade your Arbitrum wrapped ETH there for the AiPEPE token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, AiPEPEcoin.com. You may have to set slippage if there's taxes and whatnot, but we'll try to find that in a second here. So this pre-sale, soft cap was set at 1 ETH. They've already sold over 2.18 ETH, so it's already a successful pre-sale. Still 7.5 hours left to go as of recording this video. So, like I said, their webpage is AiPEPEcoin.com. Their Twitter is at Pepe AI Official, Telegram at Pepe AI Official, and they also have a GitHub, Instagram, Reddit, and Discord. Pepe will be at the forefront of this new age. AiPEPE, that's why we're working on training a model named AiPEPE, your ultimate AI buddy with tons of cool utilities. Get ready to embrace the future with AiPEPE by your side. With all the hype around Pepe and AI, you got the best of both worlds, and you do not want to miss this 1,000 times gem that we will push. CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, DexDuel's trending, major listings, and huge marketing. Never look back. So that's what it says on Pink Sale about this token here. Now there's 9 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply here of million, billion, trillion, 210 quadrillion tokens, and obviously that is half of the famous meme number 420 quadrillion tokens that's used by a lot of meme tokens. Initial market cap estimate, very low, $7,015, so very low starting market cap for this project. Now, I do see one issue here right off the bat. At the top of the page, I don't see a full audit or a KYC. So that's one issue that I have there. Second issue is that liquidity is only locked for 90 days for this token on SushiSwap after the pre-sale is over. So hopefully they can extend that lock, because 3 months is not a very long time to have all your liquidity become unlocked. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, 30% of the tokens get burnt, 34.76% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 24.76% of the tokens go to liquidity, 10.47% of the tokens go to the AiPEPE lock. Now there is a quick audit here, and there's a big warning on the quick audit. It says contract is not verified. So be aware of that. Contract is not even verified. And that's what their quick audit by Analytics Audit says in the discussion section on Pink Sale. Now, if you go over to AiPEPEcoin.com, it says there is tax, so a buy tax and sell tax of 4%. So you'll have to set your slippage somewhere around 4%. And they also have a different total supply than what Pink Sale says of their tokens for some reason. So also, I don't know what the error is there, but that's very strange. So here it says total supply of this token is, that is a million, billion, 100 trillion tokens. But for some reason on Pink Sale, it says 420 quadrillion. So lots of sketchiness involved here. Now, it says AiPEPE, the ultimate meme combined with the latest technology. AiPEPE will be the new meta. They got high hopes. They're gonna squash Facebook with AiPEPE. Running on the Arbitrum network. So it says find Pepe on Dex Screener, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, Dex Tools, and Uniswap. It doesn't even say Sushi Swap. So Sushi Swap is what it has listed here on Pink Sale. And then it says Uniswap and not Sushi Swap on their webpage. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is up over here with these projects? I don't know. So, Pepe meets AI. Feels good, man. Have you prepared yourself for the future markets? We're in a constant state of evolving technology, and now you're seeing AI's coming of age. This means big changes for our day-to-day operations. Autonomy is the way of the future, and we should focus on exploring it while it's still in its early stages, like how the internet evolved, but even bigger. Pepe will be at the forefront of this new age. That's why we're working on training a model named AiPEPE, your ultimate AI buddy with tons of cool utilities. Get ready to embrace the future with AiPEPE by your side. So AiPEPE's utility, it's got your back in AI and DeFi. We can make it easy for you to chat with AI in a way you've never done before. Our model is the real deal. It's always ready to follow up with your questions. We'll even admit our mistakes and challenge incorrect premises, creating a whole range of on-demand AI content. Plus, we'll help you out with your crypto trades so you can make those gains like a boss. Come on, fam! Join the AiPEPE revolution and start chatting with the smartest AI in DeFi. You want to make some serious crypto gains, bro? AiPEPE's got the hookup with the AI-powered trading strategies. And get this, you can connect your wallet and make trades right from Telegram. No need to leave the app, just sit back and let AI do all the magic. It's got your back. So ownership, on launch, ownership of the smart contract will be renounced. So it says it's not even renounced yet according to, it's not even verified yet according to Pink Sale, and they're saying that they're going to renounce the contract. So first verify it, then renounce it. How about that? All right, taxes, it says here. Some of it's going to go to development and marketing. 2% development, 2% marketing, 4% total tax. Then there's going to be NFTs, it says. And then their roadmap tells you exactly when all these things are going to be released. The demo utility bot, the Telegram bot, CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, NFTs. They're going to have Twitter Spaces, a trading system, reputable audits eventually in phase 3. And then, yeah, so just be aware. Sketchy, this token. They don't have any utilities yet. They're not audited. They're not KYC'd. And their contract's not verified. Yeah, so all sorts of sketchiness, in my opinion, but I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.